Got a friend in Yeah, good evening, everyone. Good evening. You can hear me say yay. Good evening, everyone. You are welcome once again for today's class. Mr. Shego, Mr. Shegun, good evening. Yetunde Kimoju, good evening. Yeah, Benjamin, yay, yay, you're welcome, you're welcome. Yeah, good evening, Joel. Good evening, Kisley. So I'm quizzing. So if you know or you have how will I put it now? You know that there are some people that you do miss today's do miss classes. Tell them not to miss today because today we are deploying, right? Yeah, good evening. We're deploying, so you can just reach out to them. Can they just come and join? Just join us for this evening. Okay, Nigeria is evening. Other country, there are some other countries that are shutting up too. Yeah, good evening, Kislin. Good evening, Damilola. Good evening, Olubukola, Live Guide, Azan, Oluremi. You're all welcome. Praise Isaac. Yeah, you know, we should mention it. Isaac, good evening. Asak, Akim, good evening. Olasukomi, good evening. I'm waiting for others. I'm waiting for others. Okay, so for today's class, we'll be deploying. So we have moved all the classes we want to take on Friday. I've moved it to today because of the program that we're having on Friday, right? So we'll be deploying our model, AI model. So I believe we all have access to our LMS by now. We all have access to our LMS. What we want to use, the the materials we want to use for today's class has already been uploaded, right? So I'll be teaching us how to deploy the models that we want to use. They shall not miss today's class. Nobody should miss it too. Nobody should miss it. Also, already landing up. I think by next week we'll start with mentorship class also. Mentorship class. Yeah, good evening, please. You're welcome. Good evening, Anthony. Is it Smonton? Smonton. Smonton. I don't know if I pronounce the name well. Yeah, good evening, James. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. So now, on AI development using Flask and Streamlit. Though for now we want to use just Flask alone. But in one of the section that Oluwole was taking, and he took one of the section he was talking about somebody was asking about Streamlit. Why can't you just use Streamlit? So like we can integrate that into this section apart from Flask. Flask is somehow long, and we are looking for something that is unique and easy, right? Very, very unique and easy. Good evening, Prosper. Good evening, Mobolaji, Prosper. You are all welcome. Inform all your friends, everybody that you know that they need to join class. Go and inform them, wake them up. If they are sleeping, wake them up, right? Tell them to come and deploy their model. Come and deploy the model. So let us do a quick review. So my name is Remain Blessing, Besondong Femi, AI machine learning engineer. Fine tune with all the AI you want to work on. So I'll go for today's class is to show how to deploy a trained machine learning model. Use Flask for the API or normal Flask, right? Then Streamlit for the UI, and also use we'll be using diabetes mellitus dataset, right? Diabetes Pima Indian from Cargo. We'll be using dataset. So we want to see how we can use one of the model that we have fine-tuned, or I think I will fine-tune it. Just one of the model that gave us, I think, a cool accuracy to work with. Then, if you still have access to your week 5, so while I'm going to this slide, please make sure you have opened your Jupyter notebook and Akona Navigator. Make sure you have opened it, and then we're good to go. So I think we can, the SG boost we want to use today, we see it in week 5 using Joby. Week 5, you can pick it, the SG boost and PKL from there. That will be showing us how we want to work with that, work with it. And everything we want to do is on your, it's already uploaded on LMS. What we want to work with today is already uploaded on LMS. So you can go there and download the materials that we'll be using. Yeah, good evening, good evening, good news. Good evening, you're welcome. So that's the goal for today. Then model train on diabetes dataset. The model we've trained logistic regression, we've trained SG boost, support vector machine, naive. If you try naive, maybe you try naive on your own data set, please signify. If you try naive on your data set, signify, or you try support vector machine on your data set, signify. I want to know at least 5 people or more than that, maybe 100. Let us see 100. Like you try naive, you try other models, just you play with it, you work with it. Let me know. Yeah, people are still joining the class. Good evening, Sarah. Good evening, Favor. Good evening, Gabriel, Christopher, Francis. I think I need to write a model that will know everybody's name or everybody's name. But I'm familiar with this name. I'm seeing here. David, yeah, good evening. You're welcome. Vicent, good evening. Good evening. Now, I'm asking a question. If you try other model on your system, like on with your data set, can you signify? Okay. Our normal slang, yeah, with other model on with your data set, just say yeah. Good evening, Eniola. Yeah, good evening, towards ADBC. Yeah, towards ADBC. Nice to see you. Good evening, Pastor Blessing. ADBC. Who is Pastor Blessing by you? Emmanuel, good evening. Joel, good evening. So if you try other model, please say yeah. I'm still greeting us. If you try other model, please say yeah. Then tell me the type of model you've worked on. Like you just play with it. The type of model you worked on, play with it, and if you get where's Blessing? There's this person that I used to see, Blessing. I've not seen Blessing. Please call everybody to join today's class. So everybody must join today's class. Know the people that like ML or do not like ML, let them join. World Fire, good evening. So I'm asking question if you have tried, apart from the logistic regression, apart from SG boost that we've tried, I want to know if you've tried other model, or should I continue? Because I've not seen anybody. Yeah, Steven, Tayo, good evening. You're welcome. You're welcome. Everybody, you're welcome. But we're still opening our Jupyter notebook or Anaconda. It's just SG Boost. Oh, ISIC. Why? Why just SG Boost? So I taught us how to get other models, try other models. I use Cardboot, correct. Backaway, yeah, that's good. That's good. Logistic, is it logistic? LGB. Full meaning of LGB, Backaway. Is it logistic regression or gradient boosting? Christopher, it's already uploaded. The material is uploaded on your LMS. It's already uploaded. I use Cardboot too. Paul, correct. Wonderful. Good evening, everyone. Yeah. Good evening. Glory, good evening. You're welcome. Samson, you're welcome. Paul, you're welcome. So that's awesome. Azan, I tried SVM, but having problems with SD Boost. It's light gradient boosting, LG Boost would not install on my Mac. Oh, you're using Mac. I don't want to downgrade my Python to 3.11. Okay, awesome. Azan, this is awesome. Programmer, yeah, awesome. Mac, Azan, there's a way you can do it. Each model is built for different compatibility. I think for your MacBook, you should have a model for that. Yeah, gradient boosting, Yeah, little day gradient boosting. Correct. Benjamin is there. It's already uploaded. I think one of the admin has uploaded it. Ajayi, good evening. Okay, beautiful. So because we're using the material, I don't want us to take long today, so we can ask questions. So on week 5, you will see something like save in the last part, save using JobLib, dump, SG Boost, diabetes model. So this is the model that we have trained. It. So this what is saved using JobLib, dump is saving the model for us, right? So we are working with Flask API structure, create a simple Python app, that's app.py, then load the model that we save, expose the endpoint, test with all the CRL of Postman. You might not do this one, it will take long. Streamlit front end, install Streamlit, build UI to collect input data. All these things I'll be showing us how to go about it, how to do it. Send data to Flask backend using requests, display the prediction results live. Then on Flask, for some of us that are already on that we have access to the material already. Some of us that have access to the material already, you can just go to LMS, your LMS canvas, then download Flask app and Streamlit the material. You can download it, then put inside your DSC. You put it inside there, your DSC. I'll be explaining what you're seeing on your screen. I'll be explaining it now. So you put it inside the DSC. I'll teach us how to go to connect inside. Okay, I'm getting. Okay, so for the Flask app, we have a template, a folder inside. We have a folder inside the folder. For some of us that are conversant and that maybe you're already doing small HTML codes and likes, all the small HTML, small CSS, you see something like that, saving something, say a folder. So we have a folder called template inside. Then inside the template, we have a small code that is saved in index.html. then result.html. So though we don't need something, what concerns us is this app app.py and this model inside your folder. What concerns us is this folder, this app.py, and your model that you have saved. If it is already inside your the material already, then the requirement does tst. We save all the requirements. Everything has been saved already, right? Yes, we've uploaded it. Glory, we've uploaded it. Check your LMS. We've uploaded it. Bass is still asking that the material is not on our canvas. I guess you all know how to get the material, because the material is needed for today's class. So I won't stress ourselves. Flask app, and then I'm looking at it now. Flask app and Streamlit. Flask app and Streamlit. It's already uploaded. Good evening, Adelemi. You're welcome. Okay. Then the requirement that is needed is just the way you installed your pandas, your NumPy, and other libraries. So this requirement.txt is we'll be storing these flags, we'll be storing this joblib, we're storing this scikit-learn. We've done that already, but we still need to install it if need be. SGBoost, the pandas, and NumPy. We need to install that. Same thing for Streamlit. Streamlit is not much, unlike when you look at Flask, it has a lot. And one thing that is different from Streamlit is this. For Flask, is we need index.html, we need result.html, all these CSS and like inside. You need multiple folder inside Flask. But for Streamlit, just I need the model you have trained. That is what Streamlit is to ask for. I need the model you have trained. And then I think somebody was saying it. That's how I was setting his limit. Like, oh, we can use Streamlit. One was like, why can't you just use Streamlit instead of wasting your time on Flask? Well, Flask is good too, because you are going to understand what to stuff and you can develop anything you want to develop on Flask too. Like for some of us that want to still go deeper, you want to still do the home page, the about us, and the likes, all this other stuff you want to create. So Streamlit just run something, Streamlit app.py, then give me my model, then install my comment.txt, or just give me my model and run it. I'll be showing us the code. Showing this code on our system. Now, then the requirement.txt for Streamlit version is Streamlit, the joblib, the same thing, SGBoost, pandas, NumPy, and then request. That is if calling Flask API from Streamlit. That is if you want to join API or Flask from Streamlit. Then you can run your something locally using Python app.py. Then still need to run streamlit.py and deploy line to render or Hugging Face and space. So all these things is just for, I like showing us what we want to do first. Just show us, just have a taste of what you want to do. I think I'll be showing us this from the onset from our class. That for Flask, this is how it is to be most times. So if you want to add another design, then for Streamlit, it's looking more beautiful. Now, everybody, I want you to 35. Yes, you need 35. 35 was sent. We still have issue with the file. Some of us are yet to access LMS. So how are we going to do it now? Paul, I believe you have been following my class. That will be showing us step by step what to do. Right. I can't find the material on LMS, so we are using 5 code, right? No, Godwin, we're not using 5 code. I'm telling you that with file code, we run SGBoost there. So there's SGBoost, model, there's a code there that is I save the model with sgboot.pkl, something like that. Yes, so Christopher, this course I must learn it by fire by force. Sure, it's simple actually, very, very simple. Okay, so I'll be dropping my because of time, I will drop this slide now, and I'll be showing us how progressively you can follow me, or how which everybody have access to the materials. I believe some of you, if you have access to the material already of LMS, because it has been uploaded, can you say yeah on the comment section? Yeah. In the comment section, yeah. Then for some of us that are saying we don't have access to the materials, I don't know if you can share the materials with I don't know if you have like a group, yeah, maybe like a group chat or so. Share the materials there for other people to. Okay, yeah. Okay, correct. That's awesome. That's awesome. Like if a good number of people have the material, we are good to go here. Good to go. So if possible, you can share with your friends, share it on the group, just share it. So it won't take time. I'm not going to take time. Josh, Junior, KK, why? Day, yeah. Okay, yeah. I'm counting it. I've downloaded the material and sent to my DSS folder. Easily, okay, that is awesome. Awesome. That's awesome. Then, if possible, please help your friend, anyone that you know that they are on this, they don't have access to LMS, and you know you have that number, please, you can forward it to them too. Right. So, thank you. This is a good number of, this is a good number. First verified. Yeah. I get, is it Jumoke has uploaded it? She has uploaded the file, and then we're good to go. Yeah, so this awesome. This awesome. Isaac, okay, yeah. So I'll drop my screen now. Then I think I'll be sharing my entire screen. I'll be sharing all my windows. I'll be sharing my windows with us. Um, if you can see my screen, please. Yeah. If you can't see my screen, just say yeah, you or Nene. I can finally comment. Oh, that I see you can't comment before. So I'm sharing my windows. If you can see my screen, please. Not my face, but my screen. Faith, you're welcome. Yes. Okay. So thank you. So if you can hear me, say yeah. And if you can see my screen now, say yeah. Let me looking at if we are following. Yeah, correct. So correct. Thank you. So now first thing first is we need I'll be sharing this with us, week 5. So I said first thing first is we need to train our data set using the input pandas, the NumPy, all our libraries, right? All our libraries. The data set you are working with. You've done this part, then also checking for the first five rows and columns of your data set, the information of your data set, cleaning data set using imputation, mean, and median. Then I said something that we can also try other people sensing techniques, not what I am taking you in class alone. Because what we're trying to do is there's a lot in machine learning, right? There's a lot in machine learning that you can exploit. A lot of codes, a lot of techniques that you can exploit in your own end, right? So all these things we've talked about is dividing your data set into train and test, and then that is the features and also the instances, training each columns and rows. Then we've trained with the model called logistic regression, just calling it with um, this model. So this is also a recap of what we have done, right? Then when we're training, we use fit model. We call the logistic regression. Then we use dot fit S train and Y train. That is the instances and the features. So when you run this part, it's giving you logistic regression that alpha, I have trained on my data set, I've trained my model on your data set. Simple. Sometimes in the old Jupyter notebook or Python 8, Python 9, before we have Python 10, Python 11, you won't see this design. You won't see this stuff. So this also to show that I'm ready. Then after that, you do your prediction using your S-train. I think I've taught us that from I think last week or last upper week, right? Then classification report of each model for diabetes or no diabetes. You can be working with data sets that are multi-class, So this data set we're working with is just binary, right? That is 0 and 1. So multi-class means maybe you're working with data set that have multiple diseases, and you want to check different type of, maybe we're talking about blood disease now. Yeah, they will say there's cancer in the blood, there's a wrong problem like that. You want to check, or skin and melanoma, all these things, different type of diseases, or maybe it's finance, you want to know people's names, so multi-class. So this is just binary we're working with. Then I'll be saying all these things. You can try it yourself, try other methods or other data sets. Now, this where our concern is. So down in Ionic model support vector SGBoost. Yeah, SGBoost. Then I saw that SGBoost report gave me 77% accuracy. 77% accuracy. Right. So this is just testing. Everything that we're doing is just we're playing with it. If now want to go deeper, this one I may not be happy. So the reason why I left it like this is though I taught us about parameter tuning, right? So you can still tune it using optimal, using different type of parameter tuning to see if the model is going to learn well and increase the accuracy. And again, don't focus on accuracy. The other stuff in health you can focus on, other models, other evaluation performance you can use to focus on. Okay, so we are still following. So now we have SGBoost. SGBoost gave us this, the ROC curve correlation comparison. Now this part I'm just interested in, line 29, that I need, since SGBoost gave me 77, let me just work with it. Let me see what's going to give me. right? But at the long run, SGBoost might be fucking off because I'm selling see someone low. If I had other data sets or other generalization of data sets, I don't know if it's going to generalize well, like other, I mean, when I say generalization, other data sets to see it's going to work well. So this is saving my work with job leap dump SGBoost model. So it's saving it as .pkl. In deep learning, it has its own format. It has its own format in the way you save your model. So that is to say, this model is saying, this is my model now. I can call it our AI, right? Doing the prediction for me, right? Then, okay. So with this, now let me do up my screen. So what metric is used to check if the training data to be used to training classification model is distributed properly? That is logistic, I think regression, R square, M square. Wait, I don't have this updated. So now this is my own DSA, right? My own DSA folder here. So don't look at everything that is here, look at what is here. So my own DSA folder, then I have a lot that is inside. A lot that is inside. Now, if you have access to your material already, you have Flask API, that is Flask app, and Streamlit, right? Flask app and Streamlit. So if you have this already inside your DSA folder, can you say yeah? Let me know if you are with me, because we'll be doing it together and we want to develop something, we want to show something. If you have this already inside your DSA folder, I want yeah. Again, yeah. I will be so calm, then we'll be flowing together. If you have that on your system, the Flask app and your Streamlit, just this and Streamlit, please signify. Then you discover that everything we are doing week by week, you will have seen it here, week 2, week 3, week 5, week 6, it's already in this place. Then there's this part that when I did on my model, this is the model here, SGBoost diabetes model, PKL, right? This is my model here that I've trained, I've worked with. So I believe all these things should be inside your DSA already, all of them, your DSA folder. But we are not concerned with this. This is what is we are concerned with today. Flask app and Streamlit. Flask labs and Streamlit. Okay, yeah. Some people are saying no. I don't know why. Go to your LMS and download your materials. I have, but it's not opening. So, and don't worry. I'll show us how to open it. Look at me. Just have it there. I'll show us how to open it. We're not using Jupyter Notebook to open it actually. We're not using Jupyter Notebook to open it. Well, what we're using is Anaconda prompt. So I'll be showing us. So please just flow with me. What we're saying here, now flow with me. So since you have this, now we have inside Flask, we have the template. Inside template, I shouldn't be teaching us going deeper like that, but this is what we need to do since you have the code. Inside template, we have the index.html. So the index contain, if I double click it now, maybe I open it with my VS Code or with Jupyter Notebook or anything I want to open it. It has let me open with VS Code, Visual Studio. For some of us that know Visual Studio, don't worry. I just want to explain, right? And some of this part of this code, I use ChatGPT, right? LLM to generate this code. Like I need to work smart, just generate one or two stuff for me. So I'm not somebody that I'll say, don't use something, now be working, now be struggling. No. So all this stuff here, this CSS code, all these things are basic code. They're all basic code, form, basic code, then stripping. So you don't need this thing, don't be afraid. Let me release this one. Sorry, don't be afraid, you don't need that. But you need it inside your Flask app. First is our Flask app. Secondly is the app itself, app.py. So I'm opening this one, app.py. So now, this is where this our model that we have trained and we have saved. SD Boost Diabetes model.pkl. And I think I've showed you in the week 5 code, that when you are done training your codes, done training your model on your data set, you need to save it. So you need to save the model, irrespective of the type of model you are working with, either logistic regression, LSTM, support vector machine, IBEF. So there's a way you can save it. Okay, I'm done working with my code. I've done training it, fine tuning it, and I'm okay with the evaluation performance. I'll save it. Now, when I open this app.py, this app.py, I believe some of us want to open it, but just calm down. We need same thing, just normal way of working. So we need the import job lib. Then we need from Flask, import Flask request, the justify, the render template, from Flask core. Everything here is just Flask, the libraries. I'm going to learn that. Just learn how the libraries work. Then app is equal to Flask. So this is about just 40 lines of code. Just 40 lines of code. Just this is doing your Flask app code. Then this way is this parts 9 and 10 is showing us that model is equal to joblib.load. That is the SD diabetes model. This model here, I can call it other name too. I can say diabetes model, or I can call it is it Bakari? Let me call Bakari model. Right? I can call it Bakari model. I can change it to any name. Right? .pkl, Bakari model, or any model. I've saved it from when I trained it in week 5. Right? You can just using joblib. Any model you train, just use your joblib to save your model. Then all this stuff is the index.html. They are those design. They are designed. Now I don't need this actually. This index.html. What I just need is as a ML engineer, we just need our model and deploy the model. You can use Streamlit to deploy a model. You can use AWS to deploy a model. Right? So all this stuff is not needed, but sometimes I need to design. I just want to make it look unique. I can still improve on this code. Now let me give us Jara, let me give us FISI. If you are able to, if you are connected to this stuff, you're able to open this code. You can just copy this part of this code and put it somewhere, maybe here, LLM. Then ask, how can I improve on this code? Hope you are with me. So then the features that I want to enter, and the features I want to enter, then the reshaping of the features, and to show if the person or a patient have diabetes or not. That is the result, have diabetes or not. So when I click on predict, it should be able to tell me the person have diabetes or not. Don't be scared. Don't be like, which one? What am I saying like this? So just have the material on your system. Have the material on your system. Not necessarily you open this, but if after this class you want to go deeper, you can open the code and play with the code. You can edit, do anything on it, right? And if you have any error, you can get back to me on any of my social media. If you have contact, get back to me. We'll fix it. So the code is awesome. How to run this code? That is what we want to do, right? So that you know that okay, I've developed something, right? So don't be afraid. If you have plenty questions, please save the model file is .p. That is Flask Python framework, or it's just a library. Yeah, it's Python framework. Python framework. You can't see your screen, sir. Elizabeth, you can't see my screen. I have a problem, sir. It's saying import Flask could not be resolved. Line 2 and column. Godwin, I've not won anything, no. Don't want the code, just have the material. Everybody just listen. Just have the material. I'm just showing us in case you want to open the code. Don't do anything, because if you do anything, you'll be showing so line. I don't know how to access the LMS. And someone should send you the material, David. PKL at this skin. Yeah, thanks, please. Okay. Okay, so don't want anything. Just calm down. Everybody calm down. For some of us that are boss in this place, they will have run it and see how it is, and they will have edit one or two stuff. Right. So now let's continue. What's Benjamin saying? Okay. I have this zip folder, sir. Okay. Yeah, unzip it. If you have the zip folder, unzip it. Make sure you unzip. Now, I think unzip the folder and put it inside your DSA folder. DSA folder. Yeah, Glory. They just code. Are we zooming in the next something? Now let us run the code. Let us run it. Let us see what flag is given to us. For flags, maybe the next after the break, we're not going to stream it. Then we'll ask different question. We'll fix our code. Okay, so can you all see my screen? Can you see my screen? So now we have flags DSC. Inside DSC, then we have flags app, we have Streamlit. Flags app and Streamlit. Okay, thank you. App and Streamlit. Now, take note of something. So instead of using command prompts, your normal command prompt, window command prompts, you can use Anaconda prompts. Because some of you that have downloaded Anaconda or something on your system. So just look at how I'm going to do this. Anaconda prompt, not Anaconda Navigator, the normal way you are doing your Anaconda Navigator. So I want to use Anaconda prompt instead of command prompt, right? So I'll click on Anaconda prompt. So if you have done that, Anaconda prompt. Now you note that I save my work. The folder is on my desktop. So I will need to CD. I need to go into the directory. That is the directory where the folder is. My DSS. So I know every one of us will have your DSA on your on your desktop, right? You have it on your desktop, right? So let me see this. How do I unzip? And right click on it. If you can you see my screen? That is something. Can you see my screen, everybody? You can see my screen before this show again. I want to know if you can see my screen. If you can see my screen scattered like this, there's no problem. Everything is scattered. Just before I zoom down. We're not running the VS Code. Okay, correct. Thank you. Now, someone asked how to unzip. So this is it. This is zip file. So you right click, then extract all. Right click inside the DSA. Right click and extract all. So click on extract all. So you're extracting all inside the zip folder. Then click on extract. Extracting all inside the zip folder. Then click on extract. So Babs, I hope this help you. I hope it's help. So for the Streamlit too, same thing. Right click, extract all, then click on extract inside the DSA folder. You can browse. Just go to where the DSA folder is. Sometimes you meet it in download. So just browse and go to where DSA folder is. So my DSA folder is desktop. Then I go to DSA folder and select the folder and put it there. The reason why I'm not doing this, clicking on extract, is because I already have it on inside my DSA folder, right? So now, open Anaconda prompt. Open Anaconda prompt, and I zoom this Anaconda prompt. Then I want to CD inside Anaconda prompt. First thing is CD desktop. CD desktop, because that is where the folder is. DSA is inside desktop. Right? Enter. CD desktop. It shouldn't give you any error. CD desktop should not give you any error. Right. Then sometimes I like showing, I want to see if everything is correct. I'll just do like dir to see if everything is inside the desktop, just on my stuff. So don't be confused, it's nothing. So I'm still inside desktop actually. Just see the desktop. Right, desktop. Then all these things, everything you are seeing on my desktop, all these things here, languages, clean copy, mental, blessing, all these things, you are seeing it here. All these things you are seeing it here. Mesuluatobi, CV, my AI CV, all these things you get. So that is for that. But what concerns me is DSA folder. So I want to CD, like meaning of CD is go inside that directory, go inside the directory where my work is. I need my work. I want to access it. So that's the meaning of CD, right? So are we doing that? Are we with me? There means directory. Yeah, correct. Okay, Babs, you are welcome. So let's continue. So open an account point. So we're on account point. Are you following me? Are you all following me? So now I want to CD into DSA. I save it with capital letter A, but I think it's the spelling DSA. Let me see. Not to work DSA. Enter. Yeah, it work. DSA. Then this is DSA folder. So I'm inside the DSA folder. How did I know I've entered? The first one is CD desktop. So one thing that will change is this user is change to desktop. I need to say I'm inside. But if you don't change, there'll be error. This one too. From desktop, when I say CD desktop, CD DSC, it's changed that I'm inside. Let me do the DRI, the directory. Let me see everything is inside, all the folders, right? So I'm seeing all the something week 1, week 2.py, all the something that we have worked with, we have played with, then my code, everything like that. But don't forget, when you zip the Flask API, that is, we want to go into this Flask. First of all, we want the Flask API first. Then secondly, Streamlit API. Streamlit API is even simpler to run than, two of them are easier to run, but writing the code is somewhat. But Streamlit, all the CSS, the HTML, everything, they have bring everything together. Right. So now, if you are here, let me CD into Flask. We make sure you correct when you are doing the spelling. You can just come and copy yourself. Flask app, CD Flask app, then enter. So I'm inside the Flask app now. Inside the Flask app. Let me check if it's correct. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Inside the Flask app, we have the app.py, we have the requirement text.py, we have the templates, we have the SDBoost, we have all this inside the Flask app. So I CD from desktop to DSA to Flask app. Let me see if you are following us. Yes, yeah. Change directory, yeah, prof, yeah, correct. What if you get the error message? The system cannot find the path specified. How can it be resolved? Charles, where is your folder? Where is your folder? Then do you open an Anaconda prompt? Where's your folder? And again, do you open an Anaconda prompt? And then, or command prompts? Okay, Bolaji. So make sure you seed into desktop. Just follow. Seed into desktop. Seed into what again? Desktop, DSA, where the folder, then CD into Flask app. So that is how it works. This is I'm getting into hallelujah. Oh, DVC, you're funny this evening. Okay, so I do need assistance as I am yet to receive any data set or material for the class this evening. I'll check your elements, everything is there. Say, oh yes, sir. I open an account prompt. Which I can even see your screenshots, so I will know what is happening. Then desktop is not recognized as an external or internal or external command. Internal command. Then operatable program or bash file. Some of these errors that you people say you're having from day one. I don't know if we you were able to install all the libraries, if possible, all the libraries, right? I'm in transit. I'll do mine when I get home. Correct. Felicia, CD desktop, CD DSA, CD Flask are correct. Colade, awesome, awesome, awesome. So how can we solve this now? Because I want everybody, I actually want everybody to get this. Okay, this is what we'll do. Make sure you come back, come back to listening to this. Then again, those error you are getting, the error is simple actually. With your system, I should be able to error. Let's do it like this. Use LLM, use ChatGPT. So I'm a fan of ChatGPT. As I like ChatGPT, I also like going deeper, reading deeper, like the foundation. Don't let your foundation to be destroyed, right? It should help you. Just copy the error part, put it ChatGPT. This is what I'm having. How can I seed into my folder? Right? So it should give you your answer. Take note of your spelling. Correct, Kolade. Thank you. Kolade Afolabi. Thank you. I've talked about that. Your spelling. Take note of your spelling. Your desktop. Is the spelling correct? Then is it CD desktop, CD DSA, CD everything. Take note of it. Take note of it. Now let us continue before because I want to finish Flask for this 1 hour before we go for break. Right. Now there's something that we are seeing here. We need to install Flask. Now, can you see my screen? You can see my screen. I'm back to my screen. Can you see my screen? Say yeah. Okay, thanks. Okay, so can you see my screen? So yes, so now inside the Flask app, we have the app.py, we have the comment.txt. Now we want to open like we'll say you are a software engineer and website developer. You want to see what you have done, you want to design it. With this small stuff, some of you can still go back and edit it and design something awesome. You can still design something unique, something awesome for us, right? So now we need to install Flask in this system. If I open this requirement.txt, what are inside? We have for Flask app, we have what is inside? We have Flask, we have Joblib, we have the SGBoost, we have the NumPy. I can install it one by one. So how did I install it? I think I've taught us that is pip install Flask, pip install Joblib, pip install, but because of this requirement.txt. So what we just do is to install everything at once. To install everything at once is we just do pip install. Okay, let me do it like this. Pip install everything inside this requirement.txt. Pip install your -r requirement dot. Oh, now I'm correcting my spelling here because I have to be checking the spelling now. Require, and I'm typing one by one. .txt. Yeah, pip install requirement.txt. Pip install requirement.txt. Then enter. So because I have everything on my system already, don't be telling me requirements something. So you just pip install requirements. So you wait. I think this can even if your system, your network is somehow slow, it might take maybe 1-2 minutes before it also me. I click enter, pip install requirement. They say I have everything. So it's just showing that I have everything. Requirement already certified. Requirement already. So for some of you that don't have everything on the system, you will see installing. So let us wait for us. Let us wait for you people. Then the next thing is open the Anaconda point, open the system, the interface, the front end, where the model will now be doing our work for us, right? So again, I'm typing that pip install. How we want to install all the libraries for this Flask. Okay, pip install how requirement.txt. Then click enter. then wait for everything to be installed. And some of you that used to watch all these AI, CIA, and CIA film, I love it so much. CIA film, and those like you're just typing pa pa pa. You don't be installing library, you don't be seeing everything, don't be doing boom 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 boom. Most times this is what they do. They just look for maybe one Python or one Anaconda or something. You just open it, you be installing, you'll be thinking like, so all is well. So if your one is installing, let me go back. Okay, thank you. If it's installing, let me know. If it's only installing, let me know. Hey, Mr. Blessing, please, the challenge I'm having is that my work changed to what I can read after each class. My work changed to what I can read after each class. I don't understand. How did it change? How did the work change? Don't CD for your DST folder, sir. Please CD what? Anaconda prompt CD desktop first, enter. CD desktop first, enter. Then CD DSA, enter. CD DSA, enter. Then CD Flask app, enter. CD Flask app, enter. Right? CD Flask app, enter. Then CD desktop. Someone should type it now. Someone should type it. Something that we're doing. If you have done it and reach Flask app, we have type everything so that they will see it. CD something, CD something, CD something. Enter. Type it out. When you have type it, enter. Pip install requirement.txt. Pip install requirement.txt. Then enter. Just wait. No, now I'm answering your question, Mr. Paul. I think Mr. Paul, where are you now? Let me see where you are. I think by now, some of you that your Flask is installing should have installed finish. So the next thing is you want to bring up the Flask app. Simple. Maybe the next something. Loading. Okay, yeah, correct. Loading. So by now, the Flask app should have installed. All everything, the NumPy, the Flask app, the SG Boost, everything should have been installed by now. Everything should have been installed. CD DAD. At DBC, where do you see DAD? CD desktop, CD DSC, CD desktop, CD DSC, CD like CD into my directory, like enter my directory. That's the meaning of CD. Enter my directory, enter so command, enter so. That is the meaning. Please, our genius, help us and type. My prompt is just opening now. Mr. Junior, why is your prompt so opening? Why is this open? Mine says no such file or directory. Joshua, why? Because this is where we will not catch people now. This is where we'll catch people. That are they saving their work in desktop or they're saving their work in download or they're saving their work on documents? This is where we'll not know. This is where we'll not know if you have been following the class from the beginning. Right? Then again, how to solve errors. Like how you can just walk along, do something. I have Flask and Streamlit. Should I still do the Benjamin? You know yourself now. I have it already. I've run it already. Pip installed -txt. It will tell you that requirement already certified. So I have it already on my system too. So just you can try it. Where you hear that. Yes, Mr. James, I am not understanding. Like, how is your something changing to notebook? That is something, Mr. James. I don't know how is it changing to notebook, right? So if you can, how is your work changing to notebook? Jupyter notebook changing to notebook. How? How are you opening it? If you can just tell me how you are opening or something, I think I should be able to answer your question. So now we're going for break. Just 5-minute break, then we are back doing all something. So again, is that before we go for break, let me share it. Anaconda prompt, then CD desktop, CD DSA, CD Flask app, then pip install minus how requirement.txt, then install all the libraries. At least between now and the next 5 minutes, everybody app and everything should have come up, right? Everything should have come up. Then the next thing is we open our app, then we'll go to Streamlit, and we are good to go. Yeah, okay. Welcome everybody. Welcome everyone. So I believe by now your Python, your all the comments has been downloaded. Okay, thank you. Yeah, sure. Thanks. So I have everything downloaded already. Attendance done. Okay. Thank you, Miss. Because I was looking at the comment section. Funk 6 Funk 6. Thank you. Yeah. To quickly navigate into your DSA folder. And again, you can just bring in the Flask app, the Flask folder, you can just bring it out. But we want to concentrate on DSA that, oh, this thing for this course, so it's just for the DSA, Digital Scale Up Africa, right? Just for DSA alone. So if all requirements has been downloaded and we are good to go, please say yeah. If all is downloaded and we're good to go, please, I want you to say yeah. And then you can use this opportunity now to take your attendance. Take your attendance as fast as possible. Still giving us time. So if you have all everything downloaded, maybe successful, you see successful. I think ADBC said everything has been downloaded successfully. You need a good internet. So yeah. Yeah. Oh, thank you, Mr. Shegun. Mr. Shegun is actually following this class. And Mr. Shegun said we have appointment. Mr. Shegun said we have appointment. You see me calling your name again and again, repeating your name. Eh? So install how is one word or to be separated. Same thing. Pip install minus how requirement.txt minus how requirement.txt. Same thing. Glory, that's same thing. Then enter. Wait, somebody says separated. Did I put separated here? Let me check. Is that same thing now? Pip install minus how. Same thing. Yeah. Problem solved, sir. That is great. That is great, Mr. Shegun. I love that. It's not separated though. If you do, but you can try to separate it. Let us see. Try it first. But you like trying something. Okay, Mr. James, Mr. Blessing, Mr. Pierce, HTML. Mr. Pierce, HTML. Is it your code that's applying as HTML? Oh, Mr. James, do you open Jupyter Notebook? Like, are you opening from Jupyter Notebook angle? Not just you clicking on it, clicking on the code. Are you opening from Jupyter Notebook? Anaconda Navigator, all your code, so. Yeah, Mr. James. Yeah, Boladale, Oguntunde, yeah. I'll be waiting for Oguntunde. Miss Oguntunde, I'll be waiting for her since. That's great. Please, can I get your email address? Mayowa. You can contact me on LinkedIn. Blessing Olonfemi. Blessing Olonfemi on LinkedIn. Right. You see me on this suit, then my hair is somehow like, there's no hair in something. Mayowa. But if you still need my email, blessingtoby29 at yahoo.com. Blessingtoby29 at yahoo.com. Or this material, you'll see my information there on this material. There's a space after the install. Yes, there's a space after install. There's a space between install and out. Okay, yeah. After pip install space out minus out together. Like, let us not waste time more. Let me see if I can even type in this space and put it here first. Yeah, this is it. I think you can put it there. Oh, I can't. Pip install space minus how space requirement.txt. Requirement.txt. So I still want more people to install. We just few people have seen. Yeah, 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 yeah. Where's Isaac? Isaac, Babs. How far was that playing? I will just rewatch this class. My phone is down and my power bank is done. Ah, Pillow Day, Isaac, out of your system. You're welcome, Mr. Mayowa. Be that Paul. Thank you, Incubator. Thank you very much. Pip install space minus how requirement.txt. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Yes. So just follow this step and install. I signal light. Today I want to deploy our model. There's no light. And Isaac, what's your full name? Let me go and look for your name. So I still want more people to install. We're still waiting. I'm still waiting. Babs, Jeremiah, what's happening? Have you installed it? ADBC, sir. If one out of data after installing those requirements with the prompts is well, yes, it will work. It will work perfectly. It will work. That is why we're using Anaconda now. That's why we're using Anaconda in case of offline stuff. But you want to install everything you want to install. Then maybe later, if you're now as you're growing, start going to GPU, Cargo, Google Colab, Cargo. There's a reason why everything I'm just taking, we're taking for this class is just foundation. There's I, but it's foundation. Just to make sure that at least you have something cool. Done. Okay. Yeah, Joshua, correct. I love this. I've been waiting for Joshua too. Correct. Yeah. Praise. Inolua, what happened? Babs, why? What happened? Oladimiji Isaac. Okay, well noted. What happened? Why? What alternative do we have beside Anaconda prompt without downloading Anaconda Navigator? Yeah, you can use VS Code. Azan, you can use VS Code. You can use PyCharm. Their long process. You can use you can even use Google Colab. You can use Cargo. All of them have their prompt. There's a way you do the prompt. Yes. Okay, now please let us done. I think a good number of people have installed it and we're good to go. Thank you. So let us now depending on your settings, so just pip install manazal requirement.txt. So depending on your settings, we need to now dir. Let me look at it. dir. So this is what I need, the app.py. So I want to bring this app.py up. And what I just need is Python app. Can you see my okay? So I'm doing like this again, dir. Then what I need is Python app.py. Python app.py. Python app.py. Enter. Python app.py. Then you click enter. If you have installed the flags, you have installed all the libraries and it's not successful. So you just click on Python app.py. Now looking at what came out. This backend, just backend. So serving flags are debugging. So this is just a debugging. This is not a deployment server yet. Do not use it in the production deployment. Use a production WSK server instead. Right. So this does like practice. You can practice it. And this is working. They cannot use this WSG something. So then they give us a link, a local link that we can work with. So what I'll do is I'll put my hand, I need this link, then I'll put my hand, I'll press Control down, then click on this link, or I can just click on this link like that. This link is what I need. So when I click on this link, it's going to open on any DevOps browser. If something is connected to your Google Chrome, it's going to put there. It's connected on your maybe your Aqua Explorer, is going to put there. So this is the link I want. then click on it. Yes, simple. This is where we are going to. This is what we need. The app. Right. Now you will notice something. You notice something that I left pregnancy. I left pregnancy in the features because someone that wants to use my app and is a man, and I will not be asking, are you pregnant? So I can just leave this one is there when I want to put it. So this is the app. You can just scroll down to and look at it. Now, and I put some stuff inside the Flask app. If you want to still play with it, I can still do something like home page, home, about us, maybe about DSA, digital skill, something. I can add plenty stuff, do this one again, just design it. But this is just the basic stuff that we need for this app, right? Now, maybe doing your stuff, some of you might still want to work on the ability simulators. Remove this pregnancy as a features, remove it in your code or inside the code. It's a challenge I'm giving us. I know you can do it. Let me even see if anybody is following me. Let me see if you are following. Okay, yet to install. Done. Oh, correct. I have not succeeded to get the directory. Okay, let me first run this stuff first. Then glucose should be, I think we have the data set already. Maybe the glucose level should be maybe 1 to 1. Blood pressure should be maybe 34. You can just put the number that you want. Okay. 34 insulin. BMI, just the number that you want. Like you need information of people. They will have checked what we actually need in this stuff is glucose, blood pressure, and insulin, or maybe an age. That's what we need. But because of this class, I'm putting everything here inside the code. You cannot say, okay, from this code, let me remove this part. I will show us. Remove social part, remove social part, remove social part. Then body mass index should be maybe 134, age should be 34. So the model is in my one. When I click on predict, the model is even telling me the probability that this person will have diabetes. And from this number here, age, I don't know, I think diabetes is to happen to people that are old most times, sure. But recently, we have people that have been having diabetes, like young guys, they have diabetes. So from even this age, it shows that my model is doing somehow slightly well, but the probability is somehow low. But I don't need this probability, but I just add it to it, right? It's something that you can remove. Then I can clear again. I can clear it. So this is how the model is doing something for me. Now, if you have opened that store, let me see. Go on, sir. Okay. We are going on. No money named Flask core. No money named Flask core. So what you do for that is, what you do for no money named Flask core is pip install Flask. Just do pip install Flask. Then after you are done, now do pip install Flask underscore core COR. Do that, then come back. It's going to work. Oh, Mr. Oluwole is with us. You're welcome. We missed you. Good evening, Mr. Oluwole. Okay. We also have diabetes in infants. Yes, too. Yeah, Mr. Shegun, we have diabetes in infants too. But pregnancy, if I'm giving you something now, I want you to remove the pregnancy in the code. Just remove it. It's the way you can remove it. Mine saying no model name Flask core. Let me see. Why is he saying no model name Flask core? Run pip install Flask underscore core. Thank you, Mr. Emmanuel. So you too, run Mr. DBC, run pip install Flask core. Right. Then it will work. No money, yeah, run it. You need that. It depends on the functionality. Your system is your system now. So you need that Flask score for your work. You need it. So I need something like this. I think Mr. Shegun said his own is open. So other people, if you have opened your stuff, pip install, go back to the back end, Control C, then do Control C. Go back to the back end, do Control C first, then now do pip install. pip install flask_core. Flask_core installed. Okay. Now, Yetunde, after you have installed that, now do python app.py. Python app.py. Because this error now I don't have it, but because I've been working with code like this. When they say no module, that is to say you need the module. It's in library. Just normal stuff. The way I'll be doing it is a library. You need to install it. Mr. Adebisi, this one I'm saying no module name SGBoost. Do you do pip install -r requirement.txt? Did all of you install it? Hey, I want to be sure. Did all of you install pip install -r.txt? Because SGBoost, Flask, the core, everything is inside. Everything is inside. So this where I'm caching people again. Disable. Done. Okay. Miss Yetunde, done. So Python app.py, is it open? Like, do we have it now? Do you have the screen now open on your screen? Okay. Adebisi, no module SGBoost. Install the SGBoost again. Now do pip install SGBoost. Pip install SGBoost. Enter. Pip install SGBoost. If you say no module anything, pip install the something. That is it. Pip install the stuff. Pip install it. I think it's your system. Pip install it. Pip install it. Pip install it. And after pip install -r.txt, what next? Python app, Python app.py, Python space app.py. So Yetunde, is your stuff up? Pip install. Yes. Go to the yes. Yes, yeah, correct, Francis. Awesome. So we need that. Depending on the system you are using, because I've not seen core before, but because I saw something like no module, that is to say you need a library, you need the module in this folder, you need the module in it. So just do pip install flask, core, and pip install flask, core. Benjamin, do same thing, pip install. Go back to that place, just pip install. Everybody should install it. Then after this one, we'll go to Streamlit. We'll do our corrections. If you have any something you want to work with, you discover that Flask, when I open Flask now, Flask is somehow, I can still design it, still do one or two stuff. The prediction is the SGBoost is doing the prediction. Actually, it's doing everything at the back end. So you can call on anybody. Please come and look at my work, what I've worked on. Maybe the person is have diabetes. Ask for one or two questions. What's your BMI? Have they tested and the likes? Put everything there. Look at the percentage. Put it there. Then your app, your model should be able to predict. Tell the person if even though the person is just testing before you visit your doctor, your app should be able to do that. Right? It's not that it's not working. Let us see your error. Dari, let us see your error. Cynthia, let us see your error. Okay, yeah, thank you, Lowole. Thank you. Pip install Flask. Pip install Flask core. Install it. That same place that you do Python app.py. Let us see error. I got debugger is active. You have to deactivate it. Joshua, you want us to enter deep learning? Yeah, I saw someone that was asking in the comment section. The person was asking, he said, I'm concerned actually. He said you want to use it, that you don't have access to LMS, or so you want to use for your MSc, masters, or something. please, if you can contact me on the LinkedIn. I'll be willing to help. Right? You have issues with search. I don't know. I can't remember the name again. Can't go back. If you are still online and then say you want to use this stuff for your MSc stuff, please contact me on LinkedIn. I'll see how we can help you. Or yeah, LinkedIn. Francis, I'm here now. Error cleared and web app render successfully. Francis, clap for yourself. So this is a programming something. Ability to sit down, ability to debug, get the error right, put your libraries, all the libraries that you need, install it, work with the libraries, then you're good to go. So anyone that is facing error now, if you are still having error now, just by now you should know what to do. Sometimes you see, and when I'm working, I'll just have error. We're like, okay, what did I need to install? What is missing? Is there spelling error? Is there something I'm missing? Then I'll put it together. So please, shouldn't have error now. After pip install flask underscore core, what next? Next is Python app, Python app.py, Python app.py. I'm challenging us that when you have run your code and it's coming up and your app is successfully running and showing, and you can do your prediction and do everything you want to do at the back end or the front end, if you can still design your flags, I'll be happy. I want to see some of you. I want to see if you can just go to the template, go to an index template, design it. Use ChatGPT to design. Just add one or two stuff, make it unique. You can add your name. Yeah, Python app.py. The next thing is now, Kingsley, next thing is Python app.py. Python app.py. I'll calm down. Everybody must, for some of you that still have now, calm down. Everyone must get it. You must get it. Can we have the values to test the app? Put anything there. Put anything there. You know, be working with data sets. Francis. Two, you can just put for pregnancy. I'll say something. I said you can remove pregnancy maybe later. Just remove the role. You don't need it because men cannot have pregnancy. And the meaning why there's pregnancy there is women, they will ask you how many number of pregnancy do you have? You'll be asked how many number of pregnancy do you have? For men, I don't know if you can just put zero there, then the other one put just use your instincts or go to data set, look at the range, then use the age, predict. You see diabetes, non-diabetes, the incubator up. Thank you. Python app.py. Python app.py. Junior quick key. What code are you asking of? Pip install flags. Oh yeah, if you have done it, yeah. If it's working now, yeah. Let's go to Streamlit. So for Streamlit, I think by now you should know what to do. Open another Anaconda prompt, then CD. You will do that. But for some of you that are done already, CD into Streamlit, Streamlit folder, feed into it, then it will now be Streamlit diabetes app.py. So we already have the model 2 inside. Diabetes app.py, then one to open straight. Now you see the difference between Flask and Streamlit. You see the difference. Streamlit is somehow connected to the internet somehow. Yeah. Wow. So some of you haven't done. I thought you haven't done. No. Uluwole, what are you doing? Uluwole, what are you doing? Why is he yeah? Towing roots. So you are done. Yeah. Some of you are following these clouds codedly. I'm not saying anything. Adebisi, your SD boost is still installing at 90 MB now. Adebisi, do you do week 5, week 6? Do you install SD boost? Which SD boost are you using? Eh. Joshua, fire. You just want us to do everything, 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 everything. Why can't you, Joshua? Why can't you try the fraud detection? I've worked on fraud detection before. I've worked on weather prediction before. I've worked on virtually almost anything prediction. I've worked on it before, right? So with the reason why I'm working on diabetes mellitus health is because is the data set is you can explain. So when you want to use other data sets, you will now like look at it. Okay, these data sets, what are the features? What am I predicting? What do I want to work with? So you get. So don't just concentrate on diabetes mellitus. So Joshua, work on fraud detection system. Yeah, most of the fraud detection is most of the data sets, they are imbalanced data sets. You're using smooth and the likes. Yeah, this is interesting when you are getting it, but frustrating once error set in. Kingsley, is your code working now? Is your code working now? Are we good to go? So I think I need to let us go into Streamlit now. And some of us are already we have already opened Streamlit. Someone is just greeting us. Olawumi, good evening, sir. Good evening, house. You are just coming. You're welcome. Okay. Um, so that was the Streamlit. Then we'll come back to solve all our questions, all our errors that we're having, and then call it a day. Next week is next week we should start our mentorship class. I believe they'll get back to us. They will get back to us on how we'll go about the mentorship class. Yeah, you're welcome. Kingsley is working now. Correct. I'm happy for you. Please make sure you teach us that. So now, I said you should try anything. If you are a man, leave this one blank and just put a 0. Leave it blank. Put anything. I'm just putting anything. Just use my or use anything. Age, let me see, 57 or 59. People that used to have diabetes. Let me see first if he's going to say, see, not diabetes. Not diabetes. This one should be glucose, blood pressure should be high. I'm testing my code actually. I'm testing if this work well. Everything saying no diabetes. Something maybe I don't know. I don't know if other people have tried their stuff, but it's not supposed to be okay. Students should be more. Students should be more. Something I'm looking for. Not should be no diabetes. Something. Okay. I'll look into this later. Now let's go into Streamlit. Yeah. So again, I'm dropping this to stop this flags. It's already. I think let me say this thing is already in production. It's already working. The app is already working. Our model is already working, doing the backend, doing everything we're doing. Then for some of you that said, like, I think those also want to work on fraud detection and get to that set, train your model, then develop something for your company or anywhere you're working in. Somebody asked me one question one time, what can we develop for insurance? Can come up with something, develop your app, then develop the interface, right? And maybe give it to a software engineer to help you deploy it on AWS. I don't know if time permits, you should also to take AWS, but it's not part of the course. AWS is should able to, when you're done with your model, you should be able to put it in cloud. People can access your code and do what you want to do. Now I am stopping this just on your system, on your back end, going to Anaconda prompt, just Control C, so it has stopped. It has go back to Flask app. So now my next something is I need to enter this part, Streamlit, this one here, this folder here. Streamlit. Let me enlarge it so you see. I need to enter this folder Streamlit, right? Now begin to you share it. We'll do something together. We're now giving difference between Streamlit and um Flask app. Streamlit and Flask. Now when I open it, what I mean something that I just have three folder. I need the app. When I open the app, the code for the app is very easy. Very easy code. It's just about 34 codes. But for Flask, we have like 5 folders inside: the requirement, the text, the template, and all of them like that. But for Streamlit, your own is just bring the model you have trained again, then the name of the app you want to call it, then the information you want to enter, all the form, simple, and you are done. All these things here. I no need to explain all this stuff, but you won't be scared with code. And what you can do is this: if you want to get this code for your work, when you're done with your model, you can use this code, edit it, put what you want to do, just edit it and then fit it to your own form, or go to LLM. I keep repeating, go to LLM. LLM is for your research, or go to Google, do your research on Google. Okay, and this is what I want to do, this is what I want to do. How can I go about it? It will generate the code for you. Then put it inside folders. The material is already there. How to arrange everything in your folder. Now going back to, I hope everybody's following me, Baisha. I hope everybody's, all this can only work on laptop or computer. Yeah, somebody said something. Yeah, you can work on laptop and computer. I have to copy the IP link and post browser before it work. Okay, that way, yeah, you can do that too. You can do that too. It depends on the computer. Allow me, if you have trained your code, if you have trained your model and you put it in AWS, you can access it. You can even access it through your phone, actually. So, okay, let's see Streamlit first. CD, there's a lot. This one is just parties, so everything we're doing is parties. So now I know people are already happy. I developed something, but make it quiet. I want to go back to Streamlit. CD dot dot. CD dot dot. So I'm in my DSC folder back. I'm in my DSC folder back. So I'm not in Flask app back. I'm in my DSC folder. So now CD, where's Streamlit? Streamlit, this Streamlit. Okay. Streamlit folder, CD Streamlit, enter my Streamlit, then there. So how to run Streamlit is Streamlit run. It is Streamlit run, and this is my app that is already built. Streamlit run diabetes underscore dot app. Then enter. Yeah, so yeah, there is it. Let me go back so that you see this is the code. Streamlit, go into the folder, Streamlit, CD back into this folder. Then it will now be Streamlit. Where is it? Streamlit run diabetes app.py. Run diabetes app.py. So as soon as you press enter, so you can now view your Streamlit app on your browser. So this one is just like normal browser. Is awesome. So it has do the design for me already. All the design uniqueness, and I can also deploy. But this is another way I can deploy it and send it to production. Right? This app, I can send it to production that other people can work with it. So let me test this one. I'm making this one 0. Let me test this one first. It's 34, 56, 57, 5, 56, predict. Let me see. Okay, non-diabetes. So this one is saying non-diabetes. Then you can use all these things. I'm the one that had we had all this stuff increase and to decrease. So it's only like yeah. Now one unique things about, let me see, are people following already? I'm happy that way. They're happy. But I don't have the two. Allow me check the LMS dashboard. LMS dashboard. That way Oladipo. I'm happy. The error says could not find the version that satisfied the correct flags. Paul. Now we should CD and see this to me. Yes, right. Yes, sure. My PC has gone down. I will watch later to install. Okay. Steamlit is faster. Correct. Steven is faster. And also no machine distribution found for Flask. Paul. I think Incubator up, and then we again post this something. Pip install Flask core. Pip install Flask core. First, is it for Streamlit? Mujib Akinsola, is it for Streamlit or for Flask? Your question, is it from Streamlit or for Flask? Streamlit somehow is connected to internet. Flask is not connected. You just, when you have everything installed already, no need of installing. Yeah, Streamlit is fast. Streamlit does not need plenty codes. What Streamlit wants is shall have Streamlit on your system and the model that you have trained. That's what it wants. Then once Streamlit run the model or the app you've created, then you can edit. That is what Streamlit wants. Paul, pip install Flask/core. Do that on your system. Again, my laptop is all okay. Instructor, all of them may have requests. And all the previous comment and feature live recording for all classes be categorized separately for all others on YouTube for ease of access. Yes. Oluwadara, yes, is you can always rewatch. You can always go back on YouTube and rewatch, right? And this is Flax done, Benjamin. Flax done. We again. For those having issue with the pathway, such as they cannot find the paths, you may want to start with CD OneDrive. Yeah, good news, correct. For some of you that you are using recent system now, OneDrive, CD OneDrive, desktop. Yes. Who can answer this question? No, is it Eno, a box or something? How died minus or plus? Please, someone to answer that question. Can we bypass flags and once? Yes, sure, you can do that. Praise, yes, it's online. So now, what I do is I first of all do some of my work on Flask since it's offline. Install all the something I want to work on, play with it, then later take it to Streamlit. But sometimes I just go straight, depending on what the clients want from me, depending on what they want. Some of them want AI that they want to deploy on AWS, they want to deploy on cloud, right? So I just stream my stuff, then just send it. I can use Streamlit to send it online. Then anything I'm changing in my back end, Streamlit automatically will be detecting it, just refreshing, right? So with this, if you can go back to this, all the stuff that we've taught you from day one to now, and then go deeper, still do your research. All these things, those to me is still, we are still playing. To me, was to some like wow, because I see some people that are already happy. I've developed something new, and my app is working. I can develop AI model now. I can fine tune the model. Yes, I'm happy for that. I'm happy for you. But do your research. AI is research. AI is research. You go deeper. You do your work. You um you still do some stuff. I don't know. Maybe if time permits, if my oga, my other team members, if they want us to still go to deep learning models, we can play with deep learning models. I restart my system. I start my system. I should have shown us when a model I'm running on. I need to present the model soon. It's transformer model, right? And then showing us how patches is how it is picking patches in image, right? Then when I'm done, I must deploy it. I must deploy it for people to work with. I'm doing something for other people to work and play with it. This is so interesting and it's boost for my ALML journey. Correct. Continue with that, Mr. Shegun. Keep going deeper. Fire. Fire on. I'm on that. Wow. Keep correct. Fire on. And all of you that are already getting this stuff now. No, we still have one more. I don't know. If Oluwole will allow, Oluwole and Isaac, they will allow me, we still have more something to still do. But for some of you that we are good to go now, please teach others. Because the more you keep teaching, the more you know. The more you want to do more research, then with this, I can I am confidently, is it how I put the English? I can say now you can collect client jobs. Right. Anybody can connect to you. I want to run a model, I want to visualize, I want to do this something. Collect it, play with it, but learn. Learn on the job. Learn on the job and go. Spirit of flame, where are you? I've not seen you since. You are just coming. Scripting. Spirit of flame, go and learn scripting. Go and learn something and get back to me. Get back to me on LinkedIn. You must message me. Eh? Yes. There are some stuff that was supposed to take, but because of time, there's some stuff we just want to include, but because of time. But that's why I've taken all the stuff. Time. You can before we install some stuff, it will take like maybe 30 minutes. And imagine 30 minutes, our class is done. Yeah, Prof, that's deep learning. That's deep learning. Okay, so if you have open Streamlit, let me know before we all this class can work on phone. Olawumi, is it Olawumi or yeah, Olawumi? You can't work on phone. You can't work on phone. It's only work on when you are done training your model, then include it, a lightweight system, include it on your phone. So if you want Flask, say yeah, then you're able to run Streamlit too. You say yeah. Say yeah. Benjamin, no Streamlit. There's Streamlit. Yeah. Favor Streamlit. Benjamin, can you just do like maybe just go a little bit back? Hey, go and look at how we worked on Streamlit. Deep learning is another topic on its own. It's another topic on its own. So use the what we've learned for machine learning to go into deep learning model. Okay, there's no problem. There's no problem. Can we study the material? Sure, you can do that. Yeah. If your work, if your code run, if you're able to then apply it on, if you're able to open Flask, you're able to open Streamlit, and then you're able to solve the errors. Maybe you're having issue with errors, because I'll definitely message you. I'm expecting when you're done with using scripting, I'll be expecting. Yeah. I want more people. Where's Blessing? Blessing is not in my class. There's this guy, Blessing. He messaged me one time on LinkedIn, and he has been following. So please reach out to Blessing. If you know the Blessing I'm talking about, please reach out to him. Then you can send this link to him. Please let him go to it. Jim. Okay, Paul. So please pip install Flask. Still does not work. No, it's not pip install Flask. /core. It is pip install Flask like this / I think they're telling us how to like minus core or underscore core. Still does not go error expected semicolon. What is also there? He's even putting it there. Expected end semicolon. Please, can we help him? Can we help Paul? Can we help Paul with that? In the comment section, just help him so I will install it too. Welcome to Streamlit. If you like to receive helpful onboarding email, news, offer, promotion, the occasion, swag, please enter your email address below. Otherwise, leave. It will leave. Please leave. Which one is this one? Sure. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Shegun. So we're already rounding up. Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you for the class. I'm even shocked. I'm surprised that I was able to finish this class. So what you do is, I'm challenging us is, what we do is, that Streamlit, work on another type of data set, any type of data set you want to work on. Download the model, fine tune the model, do everything, play with the model, download the model, then run something on Streamlit, or if it's Flask you want to do, then again your Flask, if you can still design it, you can just come up with, go to how to design it, go to your template, index.html, copy the code out, start editing the CSS, all this something, just edit it. LLM can help you, ChatGPT can help you, and if you need help, you can still contact me, but it's going to take time. You can still contact me, design it, you can still put home page, about us, all this stuff. But what concerns us is your AL, your ML, your model. That's what concerns us for this class. Make sure that your model is working. Make sure that anybody that comes to your model, you can call it your model. Any model you want to work on, you can call it Shegun model. You can call it DSA model, right? The model I'm working on personally for my research work, I'm working on breast cancer. I keep saying it. When I'm done, I want to call it maybe Blessing Transformer or something like that. Blessing Transformer or Transformer model, or yeah, Transformer Blessing, anything. So, and why did I say that? You are already using a pretend model, a model that you get online. You are fine tuning, right? Somebody designs on something, but you are just adding on to something. Like, okay, what if I do it like this? What if I do it like this? Oh, this is my model. Nobody can do something like this. Then call it your name, or call it anything you want to call it. So start thinking, start doing your research, start like on the model. How will I go about it? I think next week we're going to do revision. I don't know if I'm going to be the one that will take the revision, or maybe Solu or Isaac to the revision over and over again. Will give us ideas of what to do, of how to write models and the likes. So start thinking of what to do, and then what to develop, how to solve one or two stuff in your environment, in the country, the wonderful country we are. Start doing your stuff. So we got a message that Friday lecture is proposed to Saturday. I don't know if I'm going to take the lecture on Saturday. I don't know, because what I receive is that I don't know if we have a lecture on Saturday, because I believe we're done. So thank you very much. Thank you for your time. I'll be releasing us. Still play with your models, still do what you want to do, still do your design, and then see you when I see you. Yeah.